Is your Chevy Equinox key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. For most Equinox models, 2010 to 2024, replacing the battery is a simple DIY task. You'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery, available for around $2 to $5. Newer models, 2023 plus, may have a slightly tighter case, but the process remains the same. First, locate the small indent or latch on the side of the key fob. Gently pry it open using a small flathead screwdriver or coin. Be careful not to crack the plastic. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Use a non-conductive tool to remove the old battery, noting which side is facing up. Install the new battery with the plus side up, making sure it's seated correctly. Finally, snap the two halves of the key fob back together. After replacing the battery, test the key fob by pressing the buttons near your vehicle to ensure it works properly. If the fob still doesn't work, check the battery contacts inside for corrosion. Clean any corrosion with rubbing alcohol using a soft cloth. For newer 2023 and later models, you may need to resync the fob by holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds near the vehicle. If problems continue, consult your owner's manual for the key programming sequence, or visit a Chevy dealer. Always work on a non-metallic surface to prevent static discharge that could damage the electronics. While Equinox fobs aren't fully waterproof, sealing the edges with silicone can help prevent future corrosion. If you live in a rural area, weaker radio frequency signals can drain batteries faster, so plan for more frequent replacements. By doing this yourself, you can save $50 to $100 compared to dealership service.